True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. Guys. So guys, I am in the Hanover area and place them call him Chester Castle. Yeah man, so big up all the Chester Castle people them watching right now and all the Hanover people them. So enjoy the tour with Fire Reid. You're a true Jamaican tour guide. Yeah man, this channel is all about touring Jamaica, so many different areas, country and town. Yeah man, so just sit down, relax and enjoy the tour. So we're in the Chester Castle area guys in Hanover. Yeah man, telling us that Jamaica look like it's small, but small still, watch them drive up on the road now, my people, and I have to watch them sing out a patrol and coming at you. On your right you have the Chester Castle Seventh-day Adventist Church guys, and also in Chester Castle you can get your banana, also your coconut and your breadfruit on your right. Yeah man, telling about the country life, yeah. Nice. See them farmer driving them paper, school youth up on door bus. If any accident, you don't know how it go. And why people don't think about their safety. And safety is first. Yeah man, so big up on yourself when I watch from my paper. Big up all the time. Yeah man, one love and one heart, my people. So tell me what you think about this area in the Chester Castle area, Hanover guys. So in this area guys, you're supposed to drive 50 kilometers. So this side, if you're coming from the Montego Bay ear side, I hear them take it to the hills. Yeah man, you make the left turn right there, so that Chester Castle will come. Make the left turn will take you to straight to Newmarket, them side there. If you go St. Elizabeth guys, Newmarket, Holland Bamboo. Yeah, man. So when I hear them, I say them I take it through the hills, come from St. Elizabeth side, go to Montego Bay. Them side of them drive, you know. So you have to be careful the kids them, you know. Kids them walk on the road. Now have to care for them. Also, this road can take you to the famous Appleton Estate, guys. Yeah, man, watch out now across the bridge, you know. Now, for watch them bridge, yeah. So let's go, guys. Yeah, man, let's go again. On your left, we have the Chester Castle Primary School. Yeah, man, now if you blow no hand at them places on paper, blow no hand because them people them know so now come. Yeah, man, sit down on no hand now because I don't tell you so them road are kind of whiny. That's why when you hear some people say them I take it on the main road from Montego Bay Airport, them prefer take it on the main road at times. If you don't like the whiny, yeah, man, so you have to keep blowing no hand at this area because some bus guy will come through them place full speed ahead. Now take no check. So now if you blow no horn. So this is also, if you can't bother with them for my driving there, please just drive on the main road. A lot of bus guys, them don't take no check when they go on Montego Bay. Full speed ahead, guys. Yeah, I'm just telling you what I go on now. Yeah, man, so Fire Reid just telling you what I go on. Reality, positive vibes on the channel, you know. Them things that we're going to encounter with them when you come through them places, you know. A lot of fast driving coming from the other direction, any direction. Thus you have to steer your own, drive safe. Yeah, man. Man, them place here, you sit down up in your seat and look out good out on the eyes, you know. You can't sit down too comfortable, relax. You man, you have to sit down up straight and pray the road the right way. So guys, if you watch that video here and remember them area here, yeah man, just leave it in the comment section so me can say yeah, I'm doing a good job, so they can recognize say yeah man, we used to drive them road where I come from, Montego Bay Airport going to Montego Bay Craft Market, them place there. Yeah man, you have to sit down for your hand with people. So guys, I think so them driving the area, my people, see them overtake the round corner. So I saw you see bus people them where I come from Montego Bay, and you have passenger in the bus, you know. And the passenger them sit down and take a driving same way. Tell the bus driver say you can't take them driving them and let me out of the bus. Because anywhere them going to their destination, them a drive same way, go straight till them reach them destination. If they make it, and they also make it bad for other road users with people. So why the people them in the bus don't look at it and say, yeah man, and say you know I drive too fast with me, my people, don't take no time. So guys, we're now welcome to Bethel Town, guys. We're in the Bethel Town area. Yeah man, from Chester Castle to Bethel Town. Yeah man, I hear them call Bethel Town, you know. So guys, on your right we have the Betheltown Baptist Church. Remember them old time shop there? Yeah man. Make out don't remember the material them use and make them building there again now. Yeah man, I will sit down on the hand, my paper. Seventh-day Adventist Church of Betheltown on your left. Yeah man. Big up all the Seventh-day Adventist Church members them. Big up all the Betheltown people them. But I see I ride him bicycle. Alright. guys, if you make the left turn coming up, will take you all to Seaford Town. Straight ahead can take you to Treasure Beach. So guys, we're now in the Westmoreland area.